Welcome to Golden Software's demonstration video. This video will focus on calculating the length and area for polylines and polygons in Surfer 12. The measuring tool in Surfer can be used to easily measure objects in the plot window. To demonstrate, I'm going to open the base sample file. Click File, Open. In the Open dialog, select the base.srf file and click Open. If we wanted to measure the area around the lake in the middle of the map, then we can click Map, Measure. Notice the cursor is changed into a crosshair. This means that we can outline the area that we want to measure. I'm going to first click on the upper left point of the boundary and then click the points in a clockwise fashion. We could enter more points if we wanted a more accurate measurement. If you make a mistake and want to undo the last point drawn without having to redo the entire thing, right-click to remove it. When finished, double-click or press Enter on the keyboard. As soon as you start measuring, the Measure dialog pops up displaying measured information. The segment length is the length of the last segment drawn. The total length is the length of all individual line segments. The total perimeter is similar to the total length, except it includes the last unfinished segment that would complete the polygon. The enclosed area is the area of the shaded region being displayed. The units for the calculations are displayed in map units. If your map has a coordinate system defined for it and it is not in latitude-longitude, you have the option to change the units of measurement. If your map is in latitude and longitude, you can watch the demonstration video titled Setting and Changing Coordinate Systems for Maps to learn how to convert the coordinate system of your map to different units. In this case, the map units are meters. Let's say we wanted to calculate the enclosed area in square feet instead of square meters. To do this, in the Measure dialog, click Options, Units. In the Units dialog, change the linear units and area units to the desired unit. For this example, I'm going to change both to feet and square feet. Click OK. The measurement values are now displayed in feet and square feet, even though our map is represented in meters. Press the Escape key on the keyboard to exit out of Measure mode and close the Measure dialog. Another option to calculate the length and area is to import the polyline and polygon as a base map. Surfer automatically reports the length and area of each polyline or polygon that exists in the base map. For this example, I am going to create a new plot. Click File, New, Plot. Click Map, New, Base Map. In the Open dialog, select the centralcalifornia.gsi file and click Open. The map axes are displayed in UTM values with a unit of meters. In the Object Manager, click the plus sign next to the base object to expand the layer. Click on a polygon object below. In the Property Manager, select the Info tab. The perimeter and area are displayed below in the Geometry section. Notice the units are currently in inches, which are the page units. To change these values to map units, change the coordinate system to map. The perimeter and area of the selected polygon are now displayed in map units. You can also find the area or length of a region on your map by drawing a polyline or polygon on top of it as part of a base map object. You can draw the polyline or polygon in an existing base layer, or you can create a new base layer. I'll create a new base layer. To do this, in the Object Manager, select the Map object. Click Map, Add, Empty Base Layer. Notice a base object has been added to the map frame. To draw a polyline inside the base map, select the base object and click Arrange, Enter Group. Then click Draw, Polyline. Draw the polyline on the plot window. To see the length of the polygon, select the Polyline object in the Object Manager. In the Property Manager, select the Info tab. Change the coordinate system to Map. The length is displayed in map units. When finished drawing objects, click Arrange, Exit Group. This concludes the overview of calculating length and area of polylines and polygons in Surfer 12. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact Golden Software.